Hello, my name is Maria Fernandez, and I am a creative community herbalist. And in today's video, I would love to share how simple and easy it is to make your own Echinacea tincture. Now let me show you the simple ingredients that you will be needing in order to create this wonderful medicine. You need to have the Echinecea Angustifolia root, and I buy 16 ounces, which is a pound. I buy it organic, and I buy it from the Frontier Co-op. You will need a half-gallon mason jar, and you need 100 proof vodka. You need a label, some wax paper, and a Sharpie. I am not affiliated with Frontier Co-op, however, I do love their products. I love their prices, and for $10 for a one lifetime membership, you get really good discounts. And there's other companies out there that also sell herbs, and always support your local herbalist with any purchases of local products like Echinacea. So I opened the Echinecea Angustifolia, not Echinacea purpura. There's difference there. So it's very important that you get the correct botanical name. And basically, this is the steps. I am pouring all of it into the mason jar. This is really simple. No math involved. Even my girls could do this. Okay, and we just pour the alcohol all the way to the top. The hardest part is waiting for it to be ready. So you want to put it for 6 weeks in a dark cupboard to the top. So now I grab the wax paper. Wax paper is really important because alcohol sometimes makes things a little bit corroded. So you want to protect the ingredients that are inside this beautiful mason jar, and you just want to make sure that you seal it and then label your medicine jar. So I'm gonna write Echinecea Angustifolia and today's date, and it will be ready in 6 weeks. Now you could shake it for like a whole week. Like you could go down to your cellar or whatever you put your Echinacea tincture and just shake it, give it a shake, and in 6 weeks your medicine will be ready. However, I like to let the medicine sit for a longer period, especially if it's not fresh, since this is the dry root. I like for it to stay for a whole year so it becomes more potent. However, it's able and ready to be used in 6 weeks. It gets stronger as the time goes by. Well, this is the beautiful Echinecea Angustifolia, and it's so beneficial to help your immune system, give it a boost and fight any infections, bacterial infections that come and try to get us. So I labeled the tincture with the name and the day that it was created, and in 6 weeks this beautiful medicine will be ready. So I hope you liked this video. I hope I was of service to you in teaching you how simple and easy it is to create your own Echinacea tincture from the comfort of your own home. I believe in you. I know you could do this. You could be the healer in your own home, for your family or your own community. And it's beautiful to be able to connect to Plant Kingdom one plant at a time. Maybe this is the only tincture you create, and you experiment with it and really feel the power and the beauty that this medicine brings to you and your family. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. May you have a beautiful, blissful, and blessed day.